So when you are having some variables, when you want to set some different variables which is made private, you need to access it with a method which is set and get. First you have to set the method, then you have to get the method. If you are doing any operation without setting, then it will automatically call upon the default value. Okay, but
Okay.
Okay,
understand
Monish.
this, it is not a good practice to give default values like this. Okay, this is wrong. Actually, you should not give default values like this. So how do you give default values and all? We'll discuss it in a minute or two. So before going to that part, let me just construct all the setters and getter methods. Here I have a generate method, let us say setters and getters. I want all the three options. Okay, done. I'm having all my setters and getters done. So now I'll simply, I don't want to set any values. I just want my values to get printed. So cout car dot get doors, cout car dot
Set
get
doors.
speed. No, I'm not setting anything. I am only getting the values.
Okay, get in
Car dot get
engine.
engine. Okay. Now I'll just simply run this. Okay. You can see all my default values over here. Yes.
Yes,
All my
yes,
default
Monish.
values are getting printed over here with its corresponding things. Okay. So why do you need to use your getters and setter methods? That is the first question I have a doubt on. Why do we use the getters and setter methods?
For the purpose of security.
For the purpose of security, where there is security, every setter method and getter method is public. That means everyone can use it. Understand this. When it was public, when the variables, when the properties were public, okay, and some default value was assigned to it, it was not, we were not able to directly access it. Okay, only within the print statement we were able to access it, were in our main class. But if I want to access it when everything was private, I need some public method to access my variables or my properties of the class inside an object in the main class. So to access the private properties of a class, we use our getters and setters method. Okay. So what do you mean by functionality? What is the functionality of this class? Car. What is the functionality of the car?
Here, the functionality refers to logic of the particular program.
Yeah, the logic of the program, correct, but what is the main function of the car? The main function of the car is to run or it's to move. That's all right.
Yes.
So we need to know when will this car move. We need to find out whether the car is running or not. Okay. For that, what I'll do is I'll just create a method called public void. It is not returning me anything and run. Okay. So in this run method, this car will run only when all the doors must be closed. Point number one. Point number two, the speed must be greater than 0. The driver must be in the car and the engine must, any engine is fine, okay? Whether it is a petrol engine or a diesel engine, it doesn't matter, okay? But I am telling you that my car is a petrol engine only, so I need to put only petrol in it. So these are my conditions. So first let us write a logic, okay? Whatever the business logic of the car is. So my business logic over here is if, so my get doors, or let us say doors dot equals to, my doors must be closed. That is my first logic. And what is my next one? Speed. My speed must be greater than 0. And the driver dot equals to, the driver must be seated. And what is my engine? My engine must be equal to petrol. This is my if condition. So just for visibility purpose, I'll put it here. Okay. If this is the case, then I can say that my car is running. Else, I'll simply say that my car is,
Not running. Not car is not running.
okay. That's all. These are my functionalities. This is my functionality. My functionality of this class is I must say that my car, whether it is running or not. Okay. For this purpose, what I'll do is first I'll set up some values over here. Okay. So let's say my car dot set doors. I'm setting my doors as closed. Next, car dot set driver. My driver is seated. Car dot set speed. So I'll say my speed
Greater
is
than 0.
10.
Okay.
Car dot. What is the next thing? Set engine. I'll say that my engine is petrol. Okay. Now I want to just run my car. So when I run this car, what is my output?
Running.
Okay. My
Running.
car is running. I have given up all the variables, all the answers which I need. Now if you see here, my car is running. If I make even one condition, if the car is 0, it means that my car is not running, right? If the speed of a car is 0, it means that my car is not running. So obviously you can see we are getting not running. That point, that is the functionality of our car.